Right now we have with us Mr. Amit Agrawal from Werks. Hello sir, welcome at 5th edition of ETCIO. First thing first, your thoughts about the event and how is Goa treating you so far?
Very good. When we entered into Goa, I think the weather was little on the harsher side, but after coming to the event, I think it is very conducive, very well laid through plans, and I think it is giving a ample opportunity in terms of touching base with various CIOs, decision makers, and industry peers. So it's a very well thought through event. Congratulations for your 10th anniversary as well.
Well, thank you so much on that. How is your organization driving the digital transformation? If you can share some lights on that.
For any revolution to happen, the foundation has to be very strong. So when we talk about digital revolution, also there has to be a strong foundation, and we as a data center company is at a base of the foundation, or we are laying the foundation of the digital revolution. There are a couple of things like technologically how are you superior, then what processes are you following, what is your overall implementation strategy. So putting all together, we have created a platform where we can have all our enterprises or the partners or the ecosystem, they can leverage our platform and do the digitization. So we are laying the foundation for them to carry out their experimentation and go for a digital journey.
Now, what sets your company apart in terms of technology solutions and services, if you can share?
So, as I said, we are at the foundation of the technological revolution, and there are certain basic facts that everybody has to take care of. And what we have done is we are putting a lot of emphasis in terms of making our foundation or our basics very strong. So, for example, one of the main services that we have is co-location. Now, co-location, we are ensuring that the challenges that people are facing in terms of higher PUE, for example. So there are a lot of carbon credits that get wasted because of the inefficiency of a data center. What we are doing is we are making our data centers very carbon efficient. And we are not only making it carbon efficient, but we are also passing those efficiencies to our customers. Okay. So we have globally we have created a platform which is known as Green Pass policy, and this green pass is being given to the customers who are hosted with us. Okay. So they can trade it as a carbon credits. Okay. So that's on co-location part. Network is a very fundamental layer. Now that fundamental layer, how do you ensure that you are putting your supremacy across the network? So we have created a very dense network platform at our data center where more than 200 ISPs, 4 exchanges, and almost all the CDN players are present in our data center. So that I can proudly say that our Werks Iron Mountain data center is the most connected data center in the country. So that's the second layer. Third is about cloud. So again, making a very open source cloud infrastructure available to our customers is our endeavor. So putting emphasis on these basic points and differentiating from there has been our key characteristic.
Well, on very short point, if you can share some highlights on any strategic partnership which you have.
Partnerships are very important, and we've been in the business from last 2 decades. Werks as an organization has been there in last 2 decades, but 2 years back, Iron Mountain and we got into a strategic partnership. So Iron Mountain Data Center, which is a 10-year-old brand and operating around 21 data centers across the world, they wanted to enter into India. So we have partnered with them to give the global standard data centers in India to all our customers. Second, on the cloud platform, we have chosen a platform called as Nutanix. The Nutanix gives an integrated stack available to the customer so that there is no need for any code changes when people migrate their application to our cloud services. Similarly, we are creating an ecosystem. So on our cloud platform, we are creating a marketplace which will be like promoting all the Indian developers and Indian companies to put their applications, to put their various resources, which can be made available to the general public or the enterprises at large. Okay. So this is what we are, ensuring as a partnership we bring to the table.
Thank you so much for sharing all that insights, and I hope you enjoyed the last evening with us well.
Thank you.